That is so grim.
This is something you won't see every day.
Oh my god.
They're just quick. That's the issue.
Now, I'm just going to put this in and just stretch a little. Feel funny. Just let me know if it hurts. It shouldn't hurt. It's just like a maggot anyway, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
You are.
No.
He may be biting in there, Dad, so he may not come out like that.
Ready?
Just keep still.
No, I'm okay, thanks. I just want to, I don't want it to slip. I don't know how good these forceps are.
It's a big one.
Okay.
Christ's sake. Oh my god, is he like that big? Yeah.
What a man.
She's quite bright, isn't it?
Annoyingly so.
Here we go.
Okay.
Keep watching.
Ouch.
Sorry.
It's alright. No, it's not hurting, don't worry. Much as the ones were at the airport.
These
What was
tweezers
the
have got
airport
like
like?
teeth on them at the end.
Yeah, Dad, you don't want to pull too much in case it ruptures.
It's okay.
There we go.
You could actually do it.
Good girl, well done, Ella.
Very well.
You are a star. You are the Bear Grylls of the female world. You really are.
Preserve.
Keep them.
Kill them, dry them. You can keep them then. And show them
Don't
to your
keep them.
course.
Because what if they can dehydrate or rehydrate and come alive again? We're not going to take any risks.
I was considering contacting like someone and seeing if they wanted to do. I read an article about a guy who had them, and he contacted like a uni or something and said, "I'm willing to keep them on my arm if you want to do research." Obviously, I wouldn't say that, but
No.
if someone wanted to practice or do research in them or something.
Oh, blimey, Ella.
I just thought your arm was really sore.
Yeah.
It was
sore at times.
It looks like it should be horrifically sore.
Fully alive still, I mean,
Grotesque
yes.
things, aren't they? Well done, Guy. Thank you.
Thank you.
Cause I be getting way too hard.